So another thing I picked up is there's something about just hand and wrist strength that I found out a lot of my buddies my age and stuff, they're just starting to lose. And I can tell by like just shaking their hand. They just seem like they're getting like weaker as they get older. So I wanted to get something that would make sure that I keep my wrist strength up, help with my hands, and this thing was it. So you get a basic strap on this. Let me get that on the listing. So that is the base, and then you get these 1 1/4 pound weights. So 1 1/4, that's 2.5 pounds. Believe me, that sounds like it's nothing, but when you go through this, what you're doing is you're dropping this weight down, you're holding your arms out, and you are basically winding this up. And let me tell you, only with 2.5 pounds, your forearms definitely feel it. And then when you're going down, so what I did is I did basically this movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite, and this is going to work the top part of your forearms as you're working out. And if you hold it straight out, you can definitely feel it in your shoulders as well. And man, whew, you do that a couple times in a row, you are going to blast your forearms into shape. Not that I have huge forearms, but I use them quite a bit doing all my auto mechanic work. Then you can unstrap that. And this is great. I mean, this is so portable. You could throw this into your backpack and bring this on a hike with you. And you can do this out in the field. And it comes with 4 plates all together. So you are getting 5 pounds worth of weight. And believe me, when you are blasting your wrists with this thing, with this extra weight, you are absolutely positively going to feel it. But anyway, that is that. That is everything. And that is like your kind of like your quick workout, low impact. And hey, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.